Have you seen my palette? Have you seen my palette? Did you see my palette? Do you see my I feel like I don't want to touch it, you know? I'm gonna lick that. These colors are lit. They are stunning. Like, they are calling my name. They are screaming my name. The design formulation is amazing. I love the idea behind it. Like, Nikki, good job, girl. The question is, does it really worth the hype? We will find out in this video, so keep watching, guys. Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is an unboxing first impression video of NikkieTutorials eyeshadow palette. Dying to try this out. Let's get into the unboxing. This is how it came. It's written there, NikkieTutorial X Beauty Bay. It's really a nice packaging with the name written on it and all stuff going on this box. So we are going to open it. Yes, okay, you guys are going to be the first to see this before I do. Did you see that? Oh my god, it's so girly. What does it say? Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. I'm going to talk about this later, so I'm going to put it aside. So I'm going to put it apart. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know why I'm so emotional about this, but it's really something to be emotional about. I really like the way it looks, like all black, and it looks like a keyhole right here that you can just put a key in and open. That's literally in my head. Okay, let's keep going with this. So I'm going to read out what it's written at the back of this cover box, carton, whatever you want to call it. Hello guys, it's Nikki. Hello. I am beyond excited for you to finally see this, my palette in collaboration with Beauty Bay. I am so grateful for this opportunity, and this time we are doing it right. For everyone, she said, for everyone. This palette truly showcased my life and personality. You guys know that I am all about bright and unique makeup look. Of course we do. We do, girl. But this palette also shows a different, darker side of me. I can't wait to see the look you will create, from dark and mysterious to bold and uniquely you. This palette is my safe place, my temple, and this never wouldn't have happened without the support of my glow babes. I love you, says Nikki. Yes, that's really sweet though. That's really nice. Okay, let's keep going with this video. Into a countdown is a final countdown. Are you ready to see the two sides of Nikki? I'm gonna close my eyes, you know, like do like the wow part. Yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes. Guys, it came with a card. I think the card actually shows the names of the shades in the palette, and notes written at the back of it. I want you to make the most out of these gorgeous shades, so I want to show you how to master their full potential. Some of the formulas work best when applied with shadow brushes to build them up, while other works better when applied with the fingers. Oh, that's my part. That part I love. I was supposed to read this part first before actually showing you guys this part, but okay, it's too late. Yeah. I have two ways of applying these eyeshadows. You can use your brushes and also use your fingers. This is the palette, people. Okay, so, and this is the other side of it. This is the back side of it. So I'm just going to open it so you guys can first see before me. Oh my god, there's even a mirror. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. Like, the colors are I feel like I don't want to touch it, you know. I don't want to mess it up. I just want to keep it like this, intact. Look at the colors. Okay, I'm just gonna put in my finger in it. I know we're supposed to use a brush and our fingers for some, but I just want to really try. I'm gonna list out like 5 of my favorite colors right here. Okay, Mama Tutorials, just next to Amsterdam. It's so nice. Okay, I'm gonna put Mama Tutorials on the other eye. Amsterdam, they're in blue. All in just above Amsterdam. 5 a.m. This is 5 a.m. right here. And the last one is Mr. Tutorial. Mr. Tutorial is next to Amsterdam. The color goes perfectly with the 5 a.m. So that's why I like it. The Amsterdam goes perfectly with Mama Tutorial. That's why I also like it. And all in is just a little of shining that can go with any of all these colors that I actually picked. But from all these 5 colors that I mentioned, I have the most favorite. And guys, my favorite is Amsterdam. I love the feeling the city gives me whenever I visit. The canals, the liveliness, the creativity, and the energy that it brings. I love every other shade, of course, but these are just my favorite shade. If you like brightness, vibrant colors, or popping colors, then this palette is definitely for you. Okay, moving on to the description of this palette. This palette is a 20 shade press pigmented eyeshadow palette. I know that's a lot. You are going to be obsessed with this palette, I promise you. This palette costs 30 euros, and I think it's an okay price for the packaging. It's very pigmented. It's actually an okay price. I love the fact that she named every single color after something that is actually personal to her. I think I can say that I love the way the color is put together. Every color speaks for themselves, and the pigmented part is a wow factor for me. You can see that she put a lot of her time and effort in creating this amazing palette. This is just my own impression of the palette. It works for me. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell me what you think about it. What's your impression about it? Do subscribe to my channel. I'm cool, I'm amazing, I'm fun, I'm crazy. Not like crazy, but like okay crazy. So that's it about this palette, and I can't wait to actually try it on. The yellow one is actually calling my name right now. Right there. I look like a clown. This is how I'm going to be walking around with the palette. I'm not going to use it. I'll just be walking around, be waving everybody like I'm the queen of Netherlands. I'm going to be waving everybody. This was so much fun. Thank you guys so much. Thumbs up for your girl. See you in my next video, lovers.